Today's project is going to be all about replacing the mast boot on our main mast. The mast comes through the hull and is attached to the keel. And at the point where it comes through the hull, there's a separation, a gap, and that needs to be covered with what's known as a mast boot. The mast boot, over time, breaks down due to ultraviolet radiation and just the effects of the weather over time. So we're going to replace it with one of these universal boot mast kit. It came with the boat, so we'll give it a try and follow the instructions and take you along for the ride here. Get it out. Okay. What we have inside is a mast boot. Ooh, actually makes a nice hat. I'm not sure if that makes a nice hat, but could be used as a hat in foul weather. So we'll need to cut the top off. This was done in a machine, molded, so we'll cut here, and then we'll bring it down, cut down the number of ribs necessary to meet the top of the mast, necessary number of ribs, so that we have a good solid connection between top and bottom. Comes with some glue to join the two pieces together. Because we're going to have to cut this. We will be cutting the boot to wrap around the mast. And some instructions. Okay, let's get to it. Our first step will be to remove the two band clamps that are tied in here to the mast boot. Okay, so we're going to remove the old one. I'm going to cut it right down the center. That comes off nice and easily.
Put the mast in, put wedges in to hold it exactly where you want it.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, have all the pieces out. Our next step is going to be to clean off all the old silicone and material so we get a good clean fit.
Two hours later.
Okay. Good.
This is making a nice fit. I'm going to glue these two together with a contact adhesive that it came with.
Okay.
Now take that off.
Yeah, I'll get on this face here. A little bit up here, this corner. There's plenty of glue.
Alright.
Okay.
Hold this
Bring that around
to here.
to that point. Good.
And let's stretch
Nice and
this.
tight. Nice and tight. And overlap. And that should melt right together.
It's intermission. Rise and stretch time. Time to refresh yourself and visit our snack bar.
And I say once this is adhered, you can roll back.
Yes.
And we'll get a Sikaflex sealant into that area. That glues up pretty quickly. Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
So I'm gonna say let's put
the band clamps on the bottom.
Yeah. You want it first or
Do we want any sealant? Well, they said you can put sealant
Okay,
after.
yeah, we're going to put it on temporarily.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Bring it down to where we want it.
Yep, over and over. It's good. Lower, lower, there we go.
Yeah. No, you roll it back.
It's a nice light bead in there. Up on the flange,
so that's
yeah.
because that's where the band clamp is going to be. Okay.
We don't touch it until it dries, and then we can cut off the excess. High five.
All right. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm stuck to you.
I'm stuck. Oh, I'm sick of like.
And Sikaflex seems to want to stick on me. Yeah, that was fun. Look, Mom, I made a mess.